Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Driggs, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best movers for your relocation with options, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. A long-distance move is a big change. You'll likely be starting a new life in a new location. This can become rather stressful. With our help, you can eliminate some of the stress by letting us handle the physical labor for your move. With the right Idaho Moving Company, you get the help you truly need for your local move. You might not think you need this type of help with such a short move. It seems easier, but you still have to pack up and load the truck. Then it has to be unloaded and unpacked at your new location. It's a lot of work to handle on your own. Choosing to work with 3 men in a truck means you don't have to worry about all the hard work. We take care of all it for you, and we can even do the packing and unpacking. This means that you get to settle in with more energy and faster. Our team handles even very large moves in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Driggs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.